Hi Lina, I'm creating this video as per your requirement why I'm interested in this company. I would like to start with a short overview about the company. Like Hyperstone Gameba is a leading semiconductor company with the collab with the subsidiary with the US as well as Taiwan. Since 1990, they are been contributing in this sector. And the second thing, the company specializes in the development of highly reliable industrial grade flash memory controllers, and the company is also investing a lot of things in the in for the innovation, and the company has been got an award for innovation through research in this year. And I was like very I felt very nice about this. And another thing I feel that the proven track record of my experience in the product management, sales and marketing in Schaeffler and NHK makes me an excellent match for this job requirement. This role excites me, and these are the things I feel like this is the reason why I want to work in this company. About the working environment, I have been working since 3 years in different working environment, and I like to work in different working environment. And I think like the working environment where the people are very much focused about their work, I like that. And the secondly, the work has to be done by everyone with a teamwork. That is most important thing when we work together. In career perspective, I would say like I'm looking for an opportunity to learn, grow personally as well as professionally. Personal development, such as like to create an skills and enhance my skills through seminars, and conferences, etc. And then third question was changing working environment due to COVID. As per me, there are a lot of changes due to the remote working in the company. Like it depends on the company to company. Some company have increased their productivity, and some company has not increased their productivity due to the some reasons, like uh, as well as I feel like the company, the work from home has been digitalized the uh, whole company on a large scale. The team members can communicate with each other on a larger perspective, as well as due to digitalization, the transparency communication has been increased, which will definitely help in future. So that's all from my side. Thank you.